Blurry vision in one eye. Is it serious? There are a number of causes of blurry vision in one eye. Among the most common ones are refractive errors, which can lead to long or short sightedness. Other possible causes including infections, migraine, and cataracts. Most causes of blurry vision are not serious. However, it is important to consult a doctor about sudden or persistent blurry vision, as it could be a symptom of a condition that requires treatment. This video will look at some of the causes of blurry vision in one eye along with the symptoms. Is it serious? In many cases, blurry vision is not a sign of a life-threatening condition. However, sudden vision changes can sometimes mean a person needs emergency treatment. Being aware of the signs of these conditions can help with deciding when to seek help. Anyone who experiences blurry vision along with any of the following symptoms should seek emergency medical attention. A sudden severe headache. A headache following a knock to the head. Difficulty staying awake. Loss of consciousness. Drooping or numbness on one side of the face. Inability to raise one or both arms. Slurred speech. People with diabetes should also seek help right away if they experience sudden vision changes such as flashes of light, many more eye floaters than usual, vision that resembles a curtain being pulled over the eyes. Watch on to find out about some of the more common causes of blurry vision in one eye. Refractive errors. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention state that refractive errors are the most common cause of eye problems in the United States. Refractive errors include nearsightedness or myopia, farsightedness or hyperopia, astigmatism or distorted vision at all distances, presbyopia or difficulty seeing objects up close. The most common symptom of a refractive error is blurry vision, but it can also cause hazy vision, double vision, seeing halos around bright lights, eye strain, headaches. Eyeglasses or contact lenses can help people with refractive errors see more clearly. However, some people may need surgery. Eye infection. Bacteria, fungi, and viruses can all cause an eye infection, and they can affect one or both eyes. Potential symptoms of an eye infection include red or bloodshot eyes, itchiness, swelling, pain, discharge or crust around the eyes, vision problems including blurry vision. Conjunctivitis or pink eye is a common type of eye infection. Other types such as cellulitis can be severe if a person does not receive treatment. If a person has the symptoms of an eye infection, they should seek medical care. Depending on the cause, treatment could involve eye drops, topical medications, or oral antibiotics. Migraine. Migraine is a condition that causes moderate to severe headaches. Some people also experience auras, which are sensory disturbances that occur before or during a headache. Aura symptoms can include blurry vision, short-term vision loss, seeing shapes or zigzag lines, tingling, weakness, difficulty speaking. According to the American Migraine Foundation, these symptoms will usually last 20 to 60 minutes for those who experience aura. People can also have silent migraine, which is a migraine with aura but no pain. Treatment for migraine usually involves pain relievers. Over-the-counter medications may be sufficient for those with an occasional migraine. However, those with frequent episodes may require prescription options to manage the condition. Cataract. Cataract develop when the lens of the eye clouds over, causing blurry vision. This can happen in one or both eyes. Cataracts tend to be age-related and are common in older adults. The symptoms of cataracts can come on over time. They include blurry vision, hazy vision, less colorful vision, difficulty seeing at night, difficulty reading, seeing double, seeing a halo around lights. The only way to treat cataracts is through surgery. During the operation, a surgeon will replace the clouded lens with an artificial one. Age-related macular degeneration. Age-related macular degeneration or AMD affects the macula, which is the part of the eye that enables people to see fine details. The condition can start in one eye and progress to the other, causing a loss of sharp or central vision. There are two types of AMD. Wet AMD. Wet AMD occurs when blood vessels form behind the retina and under the macula. This bleed and leak into the eye, scarring and damaging it. Straight lines appearing wavy is an early symptom of wet AMD. Dry AMD. As people get older, the macula gets thinner, leading to blurry vision. This is the most common form of AMD, accounting for 70 to 90% of cases. Drusen or tiny yellow or white deposits under the retina are the most common early sign of dry AMD. There is no cure for either type of AMD. However, there are things people can do to slow its progression, including stopping smoking, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In people with wet AMD, doctors may also recommend antivascular endothelial growth factor drugs or laser treatment. Diabetes. For people living with diabetes, blurry vision may be a sign of diabetic eye disease. This occurs when high blood glucose levels damage the blood vessels in the eye, causing conditions such as diabetic retinopathy, diabetic macular edema, cataracts, glaucoma. There are often no early symptoms of diabetic eye disease, but a person may experience blurry vision that changes from day to day, areas of darkness or vision loss, a loss of color vision, dark strings or floaters, flashes of lights. It is important for people with diabetes to get annual dilated eye exams, as this can help doctors detect early signs of damage. People can lower the risk of these complications by managing their blood glucose levels, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. Treatment for existing diabetic eye disease may involve medications, laser procedures, surgery, or a combination of all three. Stroke. Sometimes blurry vision is a sign of stroke. A stroke happens when something stops blood from getting to part of the brain. This might be a blood vessel blockage or rupture. People can remember the symptoms of a stroke by acting FAST. This acronym stands for face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, time to call the emergency number. Sudden trouble seeing or walking or a severe headache can also be symptoms of stroke. Treatment may include medications to break up blood clots, procedures to repair blood vessels, or surgery. If a person has these symptoms, do not hesitate to call for an ambulance. Paramedics can begin treatment on the way to the hospital. Can COVID-19 cause blurry vision? Some people with COVID-19 experience conjunctivitis, which can cause blurry vision, red or watery eyes, and a sensation that a foreign object is in the eye. As with other types of viral conjunctivitis, these symptoms will usually go away on their own. However, it is important to stay indoors and seek testing if COVID-19 is a positivity. Even with few or mild symptoms, it is possible to treat the virus that causes COVID-19 to others. Other symptoms of COVID-19 include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, stuffy or runny nose, feeling or being sick, diarrhea. Anyone who suspects they have COVID-19 can find out how to get tested by contacting their local health authority or visiting its website.